Introducing the stunning 2019 Volvo V40 T3 MOM ED5 door auto in sleek grey. This estate boasts a 1.5-litre petrol engine, automatic transmission, and a host of comfort and safety features, including cruise control, ABS, LED lights, and collision alert. With luxurious interior trim, ambient lighting, and a spoiler for added style, this vehicle is as functional as it is stylish. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer specification, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details today.